In the vast universe of YouTube, few stars shine as brightly as Ryan Kaji, the young sensation behind Ryan's World. From humble beginnings to becoming a global brand, Ryan's journey is a testament to the power of digital media and the boundless curiosity of childhood. Join us as we explore the meteoric rise of Ryan's World. Chapter 1: The Genesis of Ryan's World. In March 2015, a simple idea sparked the creation of a YouTube channel that would captivate millions. Ryan, a 3-year-old with an insatiable curiosity for toys, inspired his parents, Shion and Loan Kaji, to document his playtime adventures. This led to the birth of Ryan Toys Review, a channel dedicated to unboxing and reviewing toys. Chapter 2: The content that captivated millions. Ryan's genuine enthusiasm and relatable innocence resonated with young audiences worldwide. His videos featured a mix of toy unboxings, pretend play, and educational content, creating a diverse viewing experience. The channel's growth was exponential, with certain videos amassing billions of views. For instance, the Huge Egg Surprise Toys Challenge video became one of the most watched on the platform. Chapter 3: Rebranding to Ryan's World. As the channel's popularity soared, the content evolved beyond toy reviews. To reflect this broader scope, Ryan Toys Review rebranded to Ryan's World. This new identity encompassed a variety of content, including science experiments, DIY crafts, and educational videos, all aimed at fostering learning through entertainment. Chapter 4: Building a Multimedia Empire. The success of Ryan's World extended beyond YouTube. Collaborations with brands led to the creation of a vast array of merchandise, including toys, clothing, and books. By 2021, merchandise sales had generated significant revenue, solidifying Ryan's presence in the retail market. Chapter 5: Venturing into television and film, expanding their horizons. The Kaji family partnered with streaming platforms to produce television series aimed at young audiences. In 2024, Ryan's World, the movie Titan Universe Adventure, premiered, marking Ryan's debut on the big screen. The film featured the Kaji family and was directed by renowned filmmaker Albie Hecht. Chapter 6: The financial milestones. Ryan's World not only captivated audiences, but also achieved remarkable financial success. By 2024, the brand was valued at over $100 million, with Ryan becoming one of the highest-earning YouTubers. This financial success was a result of diverse revenue streams, including ad revenue, merchandise sales, and brand partnerships. Chapter 7: Navigating challenges and controversies. With immense popularity came scrutiny. The Kaji family faced challenges, including discussions about child labor and the ethics of featuring children in monetized content. They addressed these concerns by emphasizing the importance of balance and ensuring that Ryan's participation was voluntary and enjoyable. Chapter 8: The evolution of content. As Ryan grew older, the content of Ryan's World adapted to his changing interests. The channel introduced more educational segments, science experiments, and interactive adventures, catering to a maturing audience while still engaging younger viewers. This evolution showcased the family's commitment to providing valuable and age-appropriate content. Chapter 9: The impact on children's media. Ryan's World revolutionized children's media by demonstrating the influence of digital platforms in shaping young minds. The channel's success inspired other creators and highlighted the potential of user-generated content in the entertainment industry. Ryan's authentic connection with his audience set a new standard for children's programming. Chapter 10: The future of Ryan's World. Looking ahead, the Kaji family aims to continue expanding Ryan's World through innovative content and new ventures. Their focus remains on creating meaningful and engaging experiences for children, fostering a love for learning, and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. The story of Ryan's World is a remarkable example of how passion, creativity, and family support can transform a simple idea into a global phenomenon. Ryan Kaji's journey from a curious toddler to a multimedia star continues to inspire and entertain millions, leaving an indelible mark on the world of children's entertainment.